Hello lovely people, I'm Parvati Verma and welcome to my YouTube channel. After staying locked up in our houses for so many days, you must be wanting to travel and explore the world when things are better. There might be many instances where you have made a perfect girls trip plan with your friends for that Goa trip, or maybe you have planned a beautiful vacation with your partner, but then it never really happened because your partner didn't get leaves or your friends never really had time. So please watch the entire video to know how you can take that first step of going solo.
Start small. Before you venture out on your own, you need to enjoy and love your own company. There would be many moments later that would be awkward for you if you don't enjoy your company. So before you go out into the world all by yourself, try visiting a touristy place that's just near your hometown, or maybe treat yourself to that fancy restaurant, or go out for a movie all by yourself. See how the experience of spending time by yourself feels for you.
Number 2. Search and research. Read up on the places that you're going to be visiting, which means you need to have a lot of theoretical knowledge before you have some practical knowledge. Take precautions when you're visiting a new place, which would mean please do not venture out late into the night. When you're going to a new place for the first time, make sure you respect the culture of the place that you're visiting, wear appropriate clothing. Also, please keep some emergency cash aside. Talking to other fellow travelers who have already visited that place will give you some practical knowledge as to what are the places they would suggest, what are the cafes that they would eat in, or any such information that might be really helpful to you when you are visiting that place.
Don't wait for those last minute deals. Instead, book your hotels, flights and tours a few weeks before you leave for that trip.
Making sure that you travel light will ensure that you can move about easily. When you're going to be traveling solo, there's no one helping you carrying your luggages. Make a list of things that you would be requiring for your vacation, and then make sure to cut those pieces in half or reduce the number in half. So if you plan that you need 10 outfits, maybe just carry 7 or 5. This is one tip that I swear by will help you make your traveling easier. There's one last tip I would like to add, that is be confident. I know this sounds really simple to say and is difficult to practice in reality, but when you're going out in a new place, people can make out from your expressions whether you are feeling awkward, uncomfortable or just nervous. So one thing to do that has worked for me is faking it. Fake it because no one is actually going to know whether you are just faking being confident or you are actually confident. So that's all. I hope you guys like my video. Please like, share and subscribe if this video has been of any help to you.